asembia no asembia oba oman Ghana ha asembia be court bia no lawyer for ne hwese court na asem na kwa akoto no ne ye frɛ no jurisdiction court no wo jurisdiction jurisdiction ye or the authority of the court to say obetima entertaining asem na na eno ne ye ka no jurisdiction e wo maramu nti asem bia kokoto court a ne lawyer ni bia di ka no hwe ne say court na asem na kwa akoto no court no wo the authority and our jurisdiction to entertain that particular case in Anna. And the same way now, a call, ECOWAS court no. The Attorney General Ojina Muma Ghana Bang, Ojina Muma President Mahama, Womo Clear say, ECOWAS court no, any jurisdiction say, for the removal of the Chief Justice from office, you know, women need jurisdiction to entertain that issue na case, you know. And to omutie wamano asem etie Justice Torkono so anumasem. Another day, ana ECOWAS court no diaba say preliminary legal objection na Attorney General Ojina Muma Ghana Bang erezi ye no omu ni case bia na Ghana Bang ko say ECOWAS court ni di asem enye yie entu ammo ma me na asem ni nyina anyeren entu nwu na wo mo hwehwe mu na no mo se dabi asem na Justice Torkono di aba no ye botugu a enye yie eya asema ne broni baka no premier fasie case ni kese eya asema e wonyina so a ye di a eye yie ene ne premier fasie case no eya asema e wo nyina so a ye di a eye yie ena lawyer for kan premier fasie case ha asema e wo nyina so a ye di a eye yie enti na da dua ECOWAS court no tenase no asema Ghana bind the kwato ECOWAS court anim say case na Justice Torkono di aba no ECOWAS court di a enye yie no ECOWAS court di anu yi aba bebua say wo mu wotumi wo mu wo authority to entertain Justice Torkono case no enti asema Attorney General enam President Mahama so edikodan ECOWAS court no ECOWAS court abo Ghana anu asem ne nyina to agu se ma me na asem na ode aba no ewo nyina so a ye di eyeye na nyina so ba ko ne se wo mo no kura hwehwe asem no mu no wo ma hu se Ghana ban atietia Justice Torkono fa ahudie so nti na asem na ode aba no eya asem amu odura ese se ECOWAS court no yede wo motenase no omudi asem no enti enkonkwo wie ne mpanfo ba bisa wo ahimfie se ne kurakura ne sen ne kurakura ne se mate se ye ma me Justice araba esaba Torkono eko ECOWAS court no ko ECOWAS court no Ghana ban ko challenge en samankrata na ode ko ye no se ye montungu na no na ECOWAS court di ruling eba ne se ye botugu a enye yie sanse asem no wonyina so ye die ye yie sanse ye hu hwe kora no ye nim se maame ne fa ahudie o man Ghana ban atietia maame ne fa ahudie so enti ye bekoso ne ye di asem no na atemu bia ewom no ye de baba e ma wiase nyina ye den ahu enti sa ruling enkoda na sa ruling ne ba wieye no ena Deputy Attorney General nanim agu ase no ewo ECOWAS court ne no ama TV3 fo aye publication say Justice Torkono sad news a hit Justice Torkono adan na sema odikodan ECOWAS court no wo mabo agu assemble no de kodan ECOWAS court ebra ofale case ni wieye no eno ye application call ye say womun hoto committee na dwuma a womun ye no pending the final determination of the case ewo ECOWAS court ho nto this request in court ho honom no akire ye set up records no straight akire no Justice Torkono na ankasa through ni lawyers actually the command the chief registrar on 20th October 2025 actually through the lawyers the lawyers no the legal team no e Nigeria Falana and Falana's chambers e Nigeria woman letter on the 20th October 2025 to the chief registrar community court, the community court of justice of the economic community of West African states, Abuja. Subject matter and also notification on breach of list pendants and request for date to hear substantive suit. Na semni nyina ne say asemba na ode baaye no osane de to so se ka omon to investigation na Ghana eye no na mom oba be bo mama ne se committee no akoso ama no suspension letter enti so mama no suspension letter dia that particular request now requesting say ka ECOWAS community no court no emfatabo to committee na investigate asem no wahanom no omadi kana suspend no enti that request no womunya na asem bana ankasa na womunni enti meme the request ko say obi jimasase me file case ni wie na me the injunction application kan ho a na me applicant no me ko na se me ko withdraw injunction na eno no nkyere se ma withdraw injunction ni kyere se case ni ma default anti propaganda na mo hu se enam a deputy attorney general ono ne koye nanim gu ase no na all pay bibi to favor ni say yes wa ya ade no and I want my year publication say sad news hit Justice Torkono producer for that publication it also. Near how the deputy attorney general no Debiano or acting in bad faith a social media law na all ye and ngwasia na kwato no ECOWAS kwato nka wasem na mom odiaba Afre TV3 for my fake report wa enye sa netie na yeye wo haidie we deal with documentary evidence and to head that TV3 4-year publication way to make the government look good to say suspension na case na ewo ECOWAS court no things are not going well for the plaintiff or the applicant and yes sanity a propaganda or one head of my headlines not TV3 for you then apeke and to South Mame Torkono ni case no the coy no substantive case na ban remove no and no sandy bibi to say injunction application can ho say and come retraining committee na year adwuma no justice Boaman committee no e wo mana suspension ne ba na watwere ko ode koma o mo say committee na eyo madwuma enunti medi case ne ba ya me sande injunction kan ho no woma remove me from office 20th October 2025 and otwere letter ne koma ECOWAS community court say asem na mo bedi ameden junction ka ho no se si ade o man Ghana emu ECOWAS community no notwithstanding the pending of the case no woma koso I remove me from office and in junction na se me request ye no mon fe no nton chen na kwana o mo fa so remove me from office no munni sa asemba no emame the entire me say Justice Sam Sai acted in bad faith now. Oh yeah. Attorney General on can no say. So the application court. Na say we withdraw application now. You see application no. It's hereby withdrawn. And now struck out. And to me, I'm a application. Not say me say me pursue this particular application. You ever say based on the applicant suggestion, no. Application is hereby struck out as withdrawn. And in a banner saying now by your publication say sad news hit Justice Torkono. I yes I na because letter na ye cry. Na me Bible read it. Or see Falana and Falana Chambers, 20th October 2025. Notification on breach of lispendis and request for date to hear substantive suit. We are counsel representing the plaintiff in the above reference suit. The plaintiff commenced her suit seeking the enforcement of her fundamental rights in relation to her position as the Substantive Chief Justice of Ghana on June 30th, 2025. Although the defendant, that is the government of Ghana, was served with both the substantive suit and motion for interim measures, the defendant state elected to respond to the interim measures that were heard on July 14th, 2025. Despite the pendency of the suit, challenging the plaintiff's suspension and seeking an order to restrain the defendant state, the President of the Republic of Ghana removed her as the Chief Justice of Ghana on 1st September 2025. Thus, this honorable court has been presented with faith in an apparent move to present this honorable court with a fait accompli and thereby undermine the independence of the judiciary. Or report to the amo say asemna edo mani ma state ni kura respond wono woman fa buo amma the ECOWAS community no nti wama koso ayi no afri ni dibia ekita ne say Chief Justice nti or request say entry measures no ananka dey stop the government of Ghana from removing her from office no Oma ya wie enti that request ni here na mom ni fa hudi a omatiatia no eno na ye the substantive matter no the ECOWAS court should go ahead and determine the matter on its merit. Nature say what withdraw application no or the choir for interim measures no nti akoba na say and a deputy attorney general and other media houses say sad news hit Justice Torkono. Now we a lawyer Nina so arty in this way. Or arty in what I'll describe as bad faith here. Hey papa. Or say even though the defendant has disregarded the hollow principle of lispendis, the ruling of this honorable court on the provisional measures will no longer be necessary as it has been overtaken by the contemptuous action of the defendant. We are on account of the foregoing compared to request for the shortest possible date to hear the substantive suit. Until the Attorney General man, Deputy Attorney General, there be a cocoa to a person man for a wabonting because a person here be no more case or bet my Attorney General no. Na or cocoa to a media houses dinner chino. The publication na or more TV3 no. A tramo say TV3 for me this I let away mammo. No one will say Deputy Attorney General lied to you people. And I'm yes our publication no. And to read this letter, now understand the letter very well. Montias ye, it is propaganda publication and I'm no. Se sad news hit Torkono dia. I didn't know my order to file. Wama order the government of Ghana to file woman defense within 30 days. A tramo says I'm a man for farm publication be say accurate here. You must be ready to deal with fast. Ye kwaye nim no. Na no. Ya de tudwa ewo fie ha. Say 2026 budget no. A teacher for the nim. Eno kre. A teacher for any nurse so posting or mu die nim. Adaya abanso nisika. Eti neda dua ya menamo kasai no.